This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 150,298 BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 34 feet 9 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 9, TV, Colorado Detector, refrigerator, external shower, awning, slide-out, spare tire kit, DVD player, air conditioning, oven, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area, 2 bedrooms, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 150,298 BH is 8,986 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.